second consecutive and perhaps the more important court production of Arpita Mukherjee, stated to be the close aide of Minister Partha Chatterjee in the SSC scam case. Arpita Mukherjee is being produced before the special PMLA Court, the Prevention of Money Laundering Act Court, which is the competent court to hear the cases under Prevention of Money Laundering Act. And you can see Arpita Mukherjee getting down from the car. She is in a red top and a black and white scarf. You can see her getting down from the car and being taken inside the courtroom. You can see her arriving at the City Sessions Court here in Kolkata, which houses the special PMLA Court. What is Arpita Mukherjee being accused of? Of course, she has been found in possession of a whopping 22 crore rupees in cash almost. Besides, the foreign exchange currencies, ornaments, jewelry, property documents, so on and so forth. These, the money which was recovered from her place were found neatly bundled in envelopes, some of which bore the name or the insignia of the West Bengal Education Department, and government envelopes inside which these the cash was neatly bundled, giving rise to speculations even amongst the investigators as to whether this money was being stored for transfer in the form of hawala. And that is the trail that the Enforcement Directorate is trying to ascertain. Arpita Mukherjee, of course, was remanded in a single-day ED custody. So, technically speaking, the Directorate has 13 more days of custody it can, pray for before the court. And this is the competent court where the ED is likely to pray for a full-term ED custody, which is at this point in time of 13 days. It remains to be seen whether the PMLA court awards the ED the full custody, or whether the defense lawyers are able to convince the court for a bail. It remains to be seen also what kind of argument both sides place before the judge, especially the Enforcement Directorate, because that will give an idea as to how the investigation is proceeding at this point in time, or is likely to proceed in the days ahead. On the other hand, meanwhile, Partha Chatterjee, on the Calcutta High Court order, is already being examined medically at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences in Bhubaneswar, and he is also scheduled to be produced before this same court, before the very court, at 4 p.m. today, according to the order that was passed by the Calcutta High Court on Sunday evening. And it remains to be seen whether these two cases are heard separately or whether these two cases are merged. Both of Partha Chatterjee and Arpita Mukherjee are merged together to